Okay, so good morning all. So the next problem, it is cube of 40 mm side. It is cut by a vertical section plane. So the true shape of the section is a equilateral triangle of sides of maximum length. So draw the sectional top view and true shape of the section. Determine the inclination of the section plane with HP. Measure the sides of the equilateral triangle. So here in this problem, they have not given whether the cube is resting with the edge or with the corner. So here, in order to get a true shape of the section as a triangular shape, so we need to place the cube with respect to the corner position. So then only we can able to get the true shape of the section as a equilateral triangle. Okay, so here I am going to construct the cube first. Okay, VP HP. Okay, so cube of dimension 40. You can see here I can consider here little lower only I will take, no problem. So fix it. So mark with 45 degree and here also mark with 45 degree. Now draw an line of length passing through this angle point for a dimension of 40 mm. Okay, 30 and 40. Here also the same thing we have to do. Okay, so 30, 40. So 40 mm it is done. Now take the compass and measure 40 mm dimension so that we can cut the arc easily. So take it, cut the arc. Okay, so now we join it. So you can mention top view and the bottom face, B P1, C C1, D D1. Here top face notations are A B C D and the bottom face notations are A1 B1 C1 and D1, and that is not visible, that's why it is written in bracket. Now draw the axis line to find out the center. Here this line should be drawn thin lines. Okay, remember it, in the case of prism we should draw the thin lines. So now we project it to draw the front view. Okay, the front view height also it is 40, you know that, because it is a cube. Okay, remember in the cube, so the height dimensions are same as that of your base edge. Okay, so it is 40. So now I'm going to write the notations: A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash not visible. Same way A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash and D1 dash in bracket, O1 dash and O dash also in bracket. Now the here, yeah, we should get the true shape as a equilateral triangle. Okay, in order to get a true shape, so this is the position we have to place it. Okay, remember it, we have to place it with the corner position, then only we can get the triangle face. Say here I will make, this is our sectional top view as a triangle, so this face. Okay, so that here I will draw one, exactly cutting here I will draw one sectional, because they have not given any kind of angle in this problem. We should assume and try to get the true shape. Okay, okay, you can mention this as 1 and this as 2. Here I will mention 1 and 2, and this point we have 3. Okay, here only it is cutting, this point it is 3. Now here parallelly I want to draw another one line. We'll mention this as x, this is y, x1 and y1. Okay, now here we know that we should mark for 90-degree points as we are doing in the previous problem, same method. So mark for 90 degree. Okay, mark for 90-degree points. Now draw straight lines passing through these points. Okay, now take compass and measure. We have to measure these lines. Okay, so that I'll extend little bit so that when we do the cutting the arc, so that we can conveniently get it. So I'm going to measure the point number 1. You can see here clearly from this point to here. This is our point number 1, right? Now we have to measure point number 2. Okay, so that is our point number 2. Okay, and point number 3. Okay, okay, so we have cutted the arc. Now we can mention the namings. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so we can join it from here to here. Okay, so now this is what our true shape of the section. You can see we are getting an equilateral triangle here. Okay, so by doing this method only we can able to get it. So remember it, whenever you want to get the true shape of the section, you need to place the cube with respect to corner position. Okay, so you can see here, so we have to measure the sides of the equilateral triangle. You can measure it how much it is. So it is having around 58 mm. So this is what the length we are getting it. So just I'm going to measure, right? This is 58. So this completes the problem. You can subscribe for the channel and hit on the bell icon. So if you really like the video, you can super thanks the video. So thank you all. Thank you for watching the video.